Bullish Avalanche cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $87.01 and $189.48 by 2030. Market examiners accept Avax could reach $87.01 by 2025. Bearish Avalanche market cost expectation for 2022 is $15.47. Avalanche presentation. Avalanche was made to resolve the issues of versatility and exchange speed that have tormented Ethereum. It is one of a handful of the blockchain stages that considers genuinely decentralized applications, as well as custom blockchain networks. Its high exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second makes it a reasonable contender to Ethereum. Avalanche was established by 3 Ph.D. moves on from Cornell College. The Avalanche convention depends on research directed by the group while at Cornell. The group accepts that they have tracked down an answer for the blockchain trilemma, the issue of how to all the while accomplish versatility, security, and decentralization. What is Avalanche? Avalanche is a Layer 1 blockchain that fills in as an establishment for conveyed applications and private blockchain networks. One of Ethereum's rivals tries to expel Ethereum as the most generally utilized blockchain for brilliant agreements, while keeping up with versatility. It expects to do this by having a bigger exchange result of up to 6,500 exchanges each second. Avalanche major investigation. Avalanche is a cutting-edge stage for decentralized finance and installments. Its primary point is to make these exchanges safer, proficient, and available to everybody. The Avalanche network is based on 3 support points: security, solidness, and decentralization. It utilizes state-of-the-art innovations, for example, agreement conventions and cryptography to accomplish its objectives. Up to this point, the stage has been extremely effective in drawing in clients and designers. As a matter of fact, it is one of the quickest developing DeFi stages with more than $5 billion worth of resources secured in its shrewd agreement. There are a few justifications for why Avalanche could be a wise venture. First, the group behind the venture is exceptionally capable and has areas of strength for a record in the business. Second, the stage is continually advancing and adding new elements that make it more alluring to clients. Third, Avalanche areas of strength has with probably the greatest names in the crypto space, which provides it with a ton of perceivability and reliability. The Avalanche network utilizes an agreement calculation called Snowman, which depends on the United Byzantine Understanding. FBA is a kind of agreement calculation that considers trustless and non-concurrent correspondence between hubs in an organization. It is additionally impervious to Sybil assaults, implying that it is safer than different conventions like evidence of work and verification of stake. Avalanche likewise has an exceptional element called virtual chains, which considers every hub in the organization to run its own blockchain, free of the others. This implies that every hub can tweak its settings and rules without influencing the remainder of the organization. This makes Avalanche more adaptable and versatile than other blockchains, since every hub isn't restricted by the standards of the whole organization. Avalanche current cost. Avalanche is at present worth $19.34 USD. Avax has moved 0.81% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $371,917,004. Avalanche is at present position 16 among all cryptographic forms of money, with a market capitalization of $5,837,618,612 USD. Avalanche value forecast 2022. Avalanche, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Avax cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $29. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow. However, no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $27.07 in cost is very aggressive. Yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Avax is supposed to have a base worth of $23.20. Avalanche value expectation 2023. In 2023, Avalanche Avax cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of a VAX will before long outperform $48.34. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the AVAX's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, AVAX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $38.67 and a typical exchanging cost of $42.54. Avalanche value forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $67.67 and AVAX might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. AVAX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $61.87 and a low of $58.01 in 2024. On the off chance that Avalanche effectively helps market feeling among digital money lovers, the AVAX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, AVAX will be green in 2025. The AVAX is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $87.01, with a base cost of $77.34 and a typical cost of $81.21. Avalanche Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the AVAX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $100.54 by 2026, with a base cost of $96.68 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, AVAX has a greatest value worth of $106.34. Avalanche Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027. We are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $119.88. In the event that a VAX figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $125.68. Neglecting to accumulate the help AVAX needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $116.01. Avalanche Value Forecast 2028. While AVAX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $135.35 and a yearly cost close above $145.01 in 2028. Avalanche Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Avalanche will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $154.68 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $164.35, averaging out at $158.55. Avalanche Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome errand. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme AVAX cost in 2030 is projected to be $189.48 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $181.75. And, generally speaking, Avalanche appears to be an exceptionally encouraging task with a great deal of possibility. In the event that you're hoping to put resources into DeFi or digital currencies, by and large, AVAX could be a decent choice for you. What is the Avalanche cost today? Today, Avalanche is exchanging at $19.34 with a complete market capitalization of $5,837,618,612. Is Avalanche a wise venture? Avalanche ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year.